You don't need to be a professional writer to make money from what you know. Whether it's fitness, parenting mindset, or business, your knowledge can become a digital product that earns for you. And with EbookWriter AI, you can turn your knowledge into professional ebooks in minutes. Here's how it works. You simply enter your topic or area of expertise, and EbookWriter AI instantly generates a full ebook, complete with chapters, structure, and natural, readable content. No writing, no editing. Just your ideas turned into value-packed digital products. From there, you can design a beautiful ebook cover, format it automatically, and publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. This is how coaches, creators, and entrepreneurs are monetizing their expertise by letting AI do the heavy lifting while they focus on marketing and growth. You're not just creating ebooks, you're building a personal brand, an audience, and a new income stream around what you already know. Ready to turn your knowledge into income? Click the link in the description and start monetizing your expertise today with EbookWriter AI.